Hi! In front of me is REALME C30, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this REALME device. Begin with opening calendar. Now you need to tap on the month above and pick a date that you wish to set up. After that, you can tap over here to create your event or choose this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event from here. Now customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title to it. Then pick starting hour and ending one. So sorry, that was a misclick. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher next to all day. From here, you can click on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just tap Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, and from here you can add people, videos, and even choose add location, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, change color of it, take some notes, and add attachments. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can always edit it by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can make your changes and discard them by choosing the top left icon over here and choosing discard, or save them by tapping on save. In order to delete one of your events, you need to click on the chosen one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner of it, select delete, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!